They're not behind the house, Lucas. No.
Wait, are they all in the same area?
So they're all down here as well.
All over the yard.
Oh, I see one.
So the snow, everything pushes this way.
I wish I'd had time to make her a fun basket this year. No bags.
Hey, it's all over here too, guys.
We're moving stuff in. I put my foot through
Spread out.
on the side because I stepped over here, right here. So I ripped that out.
Here, let her loose. She'll follow me. Easter puppy. Come on, Sonny. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, Jerry. Sundance.
Lucas!
What?
I found you something.
I got 3 eggs. Is it one of those eggs?
I got one out already.
Yeah. Guess what?
Without even moving here. Hey, hey.
And the dogs run out.
Wait, are they behind
They can see Sunny and really good nuts.
Trying to find another one.
What did we say about the super easy ones? They're all over in here, guys. They're not just on the small ones. They're all over in here.
Are the super easy ones the small ones? No, just the easy ones to find. Like the ones that you just...
You gotta look. Look really good. Think like a rabbit. They're not just in the bush.
Think like a rabbit. What's up, dog? It's fun.
Good job, Aaron.
Yeah.
Keep on
What's up,
doing
Doc?
that.
Ow!
Not too much, though. Just a little
The
bit.
branches are catching them.
Okay, they're not like super berries, but they're a little bit berry. Yeah, I mean, you'll see them.
I don't see them.
Yellow egg.
Roll your mind down.
Just have fun. I got a ton of barely trying and I can or really deep in the bush, like some.
I'm gonna say this one's probably a little too easy.
Yeah, you got all those that last one.
Nice.
Oh, we got half of it.
Go up
really
here
buried
and
that
find
one.
some of the dang hard ones that I hid. Because they're not easy.
I see candy out there.
Oh, I'm so sorry. You okay?
Oh no.
Over here too?
Here, Katrina, this fell out of one that somebody picked
I
up.
don't want it.
Okay.
Over here too?
Yeah, everywhere. They're everywhere.
Get out of the way. What'd you get?
I don't like the tappies,
Tappies.
but I like a kiss. I'll unwrap that. A Hershey's kiss.
Careful.
I'm tripping. At least I'm not tripping over the kids.
Right.
They're a ball in a row.
Oh my God. I feel so
Oh, you're fine. Things happen. No one's tripping. Except you.
I've already found another.
It says Jude.
Jude, come here. Jude, I know where some more are.
Go this way.
I found an egg. Do I keep this? Can I keep the egg?
So I know you might have to like move over.
This one?
Garbage in my lawn? What are you talking about?
Sniff out an Easter egg, Sonny.
They're never gonna find it. I'm gonna be digging up flipping eggs.
They will find it.
I'll be digging up eggs for the next 3 months.
You're not just gonna walk by and see them all, Jude. You have to like move a piece of
I know where a few of them are.
Yeah.
Where did Katrina go?
I see 2 right here, but
Yeah.
Jude pulled one out that was buried, and he pulled out half of it, and all the candy fell out, and he didn't pick it all up,
Oh,
and he didn't get the other half. I'd like to got the rest.
careful.
Isn't that funny?
You might squash something if you're stepping on that.
I'm like,
rocks.
here, Katrina. She's like, no.
On the other side,
Didn't want it.
maybe. Don't uncover the rock.
Sonny, hey, come this way. Come. Sundance, come. Sundancer, come. You don't need to be going in the house.
no, don't lift those up.
Sundancer, come.
Was there an egg under there? Hey, Jude,
Never mind.
where's the little one at?
Found another one. I found mine.
Peyton, come here.
What do you say?
Peyton, come here.
What?
I know where some are. Come here.
There is another one between me and Cat. Or a piece of grass.
Everyone's here.
Another painted one.
Yeah. See? Some of them are harder.
Are some of them painted? Yeah. I already found 2 that were painted.
You having fun, Sonny? Are you finding eggs? Yeah? You finding eggs?
She says, I don't know, but I'm part of the fray, and it's fun. Part of the fray. Hey, they're all over here, Sonny. Come on. Come on. She loves kids so much.
Did someone find the green one?
Katrina found it.
Did you find the metallic green one?
I broke it. Is it little? Well,
Big metallic green
is it this one?
one. No. Did someone find one over here somewhere? Someone find one over here somewhere?
Okay.
Find them. Yeah,
She's super friendly, and she never
She's a
bites.
rat.
Hey,
She's a rat.
you're not allowed to call her a rat. She's a cute little
She's not
puppy.
around other people, I guess.
And every time you call her that, she follows you like she loves it.
She loves me.
I know. You talk crap about her, and she loves you.
She knows, huh? So,
She knows it's like
she's a little white rat dog.
it's like a boy punching a girl that he likes in the shoulder. Right, Sonny?
Hi, Sonny.
You know he loves you. That's why he keeps saying my name. I don't know these other words connected to it.
Just rat.
Just rat. Rat must be a good thing if it's me.
He's wandering around. He was looking for eggs a second ago.
hopefully not.
He was just here a second ago.
I found one.
Oh, good job,
I was helping him. I
Katrina.
helped him get a few over here.
Come here, hon.
He's looking for eggs.
Ride with me for a while. Ride with me for a while, puppy dog. Oh, you found one.
It's a football. I don't think that was hidden. I think that was stuck there, Aaron.
I know.
I really feel like they got some tricks. Dude, how many did you get? I do not know.
You saw got all of them.
Did we find all?
Sean says there's still more. Some of them are buried and you have to dig them out.
I know. I did one out before.
I saw Jude get one like that. Mwah. Don't feed her chocolate. Katrina's having so much fun.
Found yet. No, Katrina got it.
I walked right past that one, didn't even see it.
I know.
I'm good.
Me
There
too.
you are.
We're done.
Oh, wow.
You don't have any more room in your bucket. You must be done.
Like there's a
Look at that, Aaron.
Lucas.
I can't believe how many you have, Aaron. That's a massive amount.
You just might find something. Hey, over on this side of the pathway. Oh. Aaron, you're dropping them, dude.
Yeah, his basket's so full.
good
Got it.
job. I was like,
All right, Cody.
I almost feel like I should search the shoes.
Right. You hit him good, didn't you?
Yeah.
And they're not exactly obvious. Yeah, go through all the little things to grab.
No. It's great. Ah, this is so nice to be this far away.
Oh, really? Nothing? You were so close. Did you actually reach down and touch
There's my
something?
big
You
red
might
truck.
find it.
Big red truck.
Good truck.
Code word.
There she is.
I can't believe she's going in there with her
I know.
I didn't hide
dress
too
and
far in
prickly. She's usually so squeamish.
there. Did ya?
Wow, she's getting tough in her old
There
age.
she is. Right over.
Move stuff.
She's like, wait.
There's one still in here somewhere. Gotta look hard.
You know that there's still one.
All right.
Gotta look hard.
It's hard to hunt in the brambles. I don't think I would want to. Katrina's like all brave with bare legs.
Digging in there.
I know, I told her to bring leggings, and she's like, no, I don't want to wear them. I just want to wear my pretty dress for Easter.
It is a pretty Easter dress.
We got that when we were on the cruise.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's pretty.
Very colorful.
She picked it out. And picked out a bunch of new clothes. Find new clothes away from the tiny area that you live so you don't look like everyone else. Sunny!
Oh, you guys finally found
My goodness.
check this out. Do you see this? Mr. Dog, your head is bigger than my dog. Good dog. You're a good dog. Oh, you friends through the fence. Both wagging tails. You're a good dog. Good dog. What do you weigh? About 200 pounds, buddy? I'm watching you. Don't let him in the gate. Close the gate, Jerry. Close the gate.
He's one of the friendliest dogs I know.
I know, but he might eat my dog. Looks like he eats everything.
Hi, Stan.
Stan. Stanley. Oh, that's funny. We have Stanley and we have Sunny. Like Stanley in Sun Valley. You're so cute, Sunny.
Oh, I heard frogs.
That was my text message.
Oh. What?
That was a major loss to the comics world, though, old Stan Lee.
Aaron! Aaron!
Oh, what?
Stan Lee, he died last year, earlier this year.
Who?
Stan Lee, the one who created Spider-Man and all those comic book characters.
Oh, I don't keep up.
His name was Stan Lee.
I haven't walked this way yet.
That's not one.
I know, that's a ball.
You're the cutest dog in the world. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You're the cutest little puppy in the whole wide world. What a good girl.
What are you doing, Sonny? You're a good girl.
Look at that tail go.
Oh, so we got her attention.
Stanley.
She's standing over there.
I'm okay with it if she's on the other side of the fence. Sonny, come back. Come on. Don't trip Aaron.
You got a good haul, bud.
Mom, stop finding them all.
There's something you don't expect to hear on Easter. Mom, stop finding them all.
Egg beater. How many eggs you got? You got a lot more than you. Hey.
It went over the fence.
Sunny. Uh-oh. They're face to face.
Oh, Stanley came over.
He got through the fence.
He crawled over the fence over there.
He doesn't seem to be bothering my little one.
No, he's nice.
Yeah.
Oh, Mr. Stanley. How are you?
Is that yummy? You want another lick?
What do you think about that, Sonny?
You don't get a lick of that, Stanley.
What do you think of,
There you go. You want another
about
lick?
Sonny? Stanley wants to go in your house.
Sean, I was thinking about digging a trench and put the trampoline down in the hole.
No, I don't care.
I've seen it like
Sonny.
that way.
Come here.
I have. I have a lot of them up north, but
Let's
it's,
go.
It's all good. Springs are ripping off of it, so it might be a done deal. I'm gonna get another one. You want another lick?
See where all the kids are, Sonny. Come on, Sonny. Sonny. Come on.
Yeah, there isn't going to be any over on this side of the path. I hid them all on the path or over there.
Oh.
To keep everybody out from the garden area because there's stuff everywhere. I think they're all found already. Look how cute this little dog is. My God.
That's her job. She does it well. The cuteness.
Okay. That's all she wrote. I just got to